Sharing a PowerPoint presentation as a link usually drops recipients into the standard online interface, forcing them to manually find and click the slideshow button just to start watching. Today on Clear Task, I will show you the updated modern method to generate a direct share link via Office 365 that forces your presentation to open instantly in full slideshow mode. First, open your presentation in PowerPoint for the web directly from your OneDrive or SharePoint dashboard. Next, go to the top right corner and click the Share button, then select Copy Link. Before you grab the link, make sure your permissions are set correctly. Click on the link settings, select anyone with the link, and crucially uncheck Allow Editing to keep your file safe and view only. Click Apply and then copy the generated link. Now here is the essential update to force the automatic launch. Paste that long link into Notepad or any text editor. Look at the very end of the URL string. You will typically see a parameter that says &action equals edit or &action equals default. Simply delete that specific end parameter and replace it so it reads &action equals embedview. Make sure there are no spaces, that is it. When you share this updated link, anyone who clicks it will bypass the editing interface entirely and launch straight into a clean professional slideshow presentation. No Microsoft logins, no confusing menus, and no extra clicks required. If this guide helped you streamline your workflow, hit the like button and subscribe to Clear Task for more direct, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching.